Welcome to Titan Post Drivers, and thank you for choosing the PGD3875 Farm and Home Series Post Driver. Built for homeowners, farmers, ranchers, and other agricultural use, the PGD3875 delivers the power and reliability you need to drive posts, pipe, rods, and stakes, accommodating materials up to 3 7/8 inches in diameter. Your driver comes equipped with a carrying case, bottle of engine oil, grease, a full range of adapter collars, and a toolkit to help you get started right out of the box. Before operating your Titan driver, take a moment to review a few important safety and setup steps. Always wear proper personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection, and steel toe boots. Ensure your work area is clear of obstacles and that your post is properly positioned and stable before driving. Before first use, be sure to check your driver's grease level and engine oil. Confirm that all bolts and fittings are secure, and ensure that the correct adapter collar is installed for your post type. Make sure to refer to your user manual for full, detailed pre-operation instructions. Starting your driver. The PGD3875 must rest horizontally for 5 minutes before starting. Press the transparent semicircle fuel bubble repeatedly until the carburetor is filled with fuel. If the engine is cool, place the choke lever to the on position. With your hand firmly on the handle or top engine cover, secure the driver and pull the starter rope quickly. After the engine has started, move the choke lever completely to off. Let the driver idle for 5 minutes and then begin work. Limit the use of your post driver to low to medium speed work for the first 24 hours of use to prolong the life of the driver. When operating the PGD3875, use both hands to maintain a firm grip and stable stance, and always keep hands and feet clear of the driving area. Maintain approximately 10 to 12 pounds of down pressure while driving posts. To keep your Titan driver performing at its best, regular maintenance is essential. This includes checking oil and grease before each day of use and a regular maintenance schedule, including cleaning the air filter, fuel filter, and spark plug, and replacing engine oil. For full, detailed maintenance schedules and procedures, always refer to your owner's manual or visit our website. Thanks again for choosing Titan Post Drivers. For more information, support, and accessories, visit titanpostdrivers.com and get the most out of your equipment.